Gang, we back with another video, man. So today should be a really good video. It should be this is one of those informational videos because I'm learning too. So today we are going to check the E85 content levels to make sure we're getting like true E85, yada yada, because I plan to go E85 within the next couple months. And I just want to, oh wait, he about to go crazy. We are going down to check the E content, the E levels down in Macedon really quick, just to make sure that when we go E, we're good to go, that we're not gonna be running on bad E or whatever. So I'm learning. Like I was saying before my damn camera died, I've never tested levels on E before. So this would be a good learning experience. So for the people who are new Hellcat owners like myself, I've had my Hellcat about 7-8 months now. And I'm still learning. It's crazy. I've been doing research on these cars for 5 years since they first came out in 2015. And like it's still a whole lot of information to learn about these cars. Like it's crazy. Now that I plan on going to E85, he's like, yo, let's go check the E out in Macedon and make sure it's good to go, because he want to go E today. I'm not going E for another probably month or so. But that's where we headed right now. Going to check these E content levels. Hopefully this is informational. This is good. Hopefully this is going to help y'all with deciding if y'all should go on E, because I know a lot of towns and states, some don't have E, some have a lot of E near around us. We don't. We have probably like 2 or 3 gas stations with E, and they're far out. I mean, each way is like 30 minutes apart. So that's why we're going to test to make sure it's good to go, man, because we don't want to be ripping and running in between 93E. We don't want to have to keep switching pulleys and stuff like that. I'm going on a flex tune, so I really won't have to switch pulleys, but we should be at the gas station in maybe 20-25 minutes. So I'm gonna see y'all when we get there, baby. With the NT555 R2s. Oh shit, they hooked up pretty good too. Damn. Oh my god. Yo, these tires is, bro, I know they still new, but damn, these tires hooked, bro. These tires hooked. That was like 20. Oh my god. Yeah, these tires are great, bro. I 100% recommend the R2s, bro. And mind you, the last 4 days, it's been nothing but pouring, raining, and I've been driving on them. So they're really good tires. Like, I don't really know what else to say about them. Like, they just great. Like, I thought I was gonna be sliding crazy in the rain and not being able to grip. Yo, I did a pull just for shits and giggles to test it out, right? I did a pull at like 35. Once it hooked, it went, bro, in the rain, bro. So these tires are definitely good, bro. I recommend the tires to anybody. Just grab 2 rears, call it a day, bro. You all set to go. Especially if you're in that 700 to 800 wheel horsepower. I think these tires are great. After that, maybe they might be struggling just a little bit, but they still gonna hook. Oh my god. Fucking car is crazy. got a friend trying to follow us in the Audi. I think RS3. Oh, it is RS3. Yeah, we got a friend. He's starting to do pulls with us and shit after we started doing pulls. Oh, okay. Got the Hellfire plate. He ain't trying to do nothing though. I don't think he's trying to ride. Yo, them tires, bro. Y'all seen it. I spent a little bit and then they hooked up right after. Bro, them tires are ridiculous, bro. Oh my God, I love them tires. That's not too bad. What is it? 230, 237?
I don't think I did enough to get charged.
What you did, like 40 cents worth of gas?
I don't know this shit.
So you just fill these up and then you just run off of those when you can. That's not too bad though. 237?
Yeah, and then how you test it, you want to fill this like.
That's the bottle right there?
Yeah, you want to fill that to water.
So that's regular water?
Yeah, you want to fill it to 0. I'm already a little bit above it.
Okay. And then you fill it and then you're going to put the E in there and make sure.
Yeah, my little science experience.
Yeah, I know, right? Looking like a chemist. I mean, we got this one. You said the one in Webster too, right?
Yeah.
I do like I do like the smell though. It smells pretty good.
You want to get to about maybe 90.
Okay, I see the nut. Oh yeah, you poured the goddamn rest in there.
Might have to do it again.
You might have to do it again. That's cool. Shit, you ain't get charged the first time though.
And then you just shake it a couple times. I think it's really raining out here.
Yeah, I seen that. We got like halfway, and then it's little sprinkles. I'm like, oh shit. Car was hooking though, bro. The 2 little pulls you did.
Yeah.
It wasn't bad. I love these tires though, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. I love these tires. You gotta do it again. What it
like E80 though.
What it came out to be?
See how they're supposed to be. I went too high.
So where the white starts at?
Yeah, there'll be a buffer.
Oh.
So like you see how it's clear right there?
Yeah,
so that's your percentage.
So like E80 almost?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it.
You'll do it one more time just to make sure? All right.
When you do it, you want to go like maybe to 95, so that way the buffer is nice and clear.
It's nice and clear.
It's way the hell up there.
It's way up there. Okay.
But it looks like it's E80.
At least 80. Okay. So that's pretty close to the E85, right? You want to be as close to 85 as possible, right? If it's higher, then what?
Still good.
It's still good. Okay. If it's higher, I just want to make sure. Oh shit, I don't know, brother. All right, so we're gonna test it one more time to make sure. So you still doing water, or you doing E now? You pouring E in?
There's a scientist out here.
I didn't know you had to have a goddamn bachelor's degree in chemistry when you buy a Hellcat. The fuck? That should be good, bro. I was surprised you ain't got one of the little machines. You stick it in that bitch, spin around. And then that's when you're gonna start seeing the... Cool. That's crazy, man. Hey, I can't wait till my setup is done, bro. What's the farthest you got in eco on the E85?
Like I said, I'm back to this. If you're near the Syracuse, I have about a little bit less than that.
Oh, that's not too. That's not. Oh, that's not bad.
If you're not
Syracuse is an hour drive too, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so that's not bad.
So it's a 160-mile trip.
Yeah, no, that's not bad.
If you're not fucking around with it,
it'll last.
Looks like E65. The other one was E80 though, but I think I had too much. So you see how the nice clear buffer right there?
Yeah. So it's stopping at 65.
Yeah, it looks.
Damn, that's pretty low. So the first time you think you poured too much gas in there, which would give it the right percentage?
Yeah, because I went above.
You went too high. Okay. So that's no good right now.
Yeah, it looks low.
That's no good, brother. That's no good.
That's why I filled up a couple of times.
Yeah, that's no good. So this little clear part right between like here and here, right where the bottom starts at, that's where it's at, right?
Yep.
Okay, cool. Yeah, so that's no good. I had to check Webster. Yeah. So this shit is a process, man. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. So the E was bad. I'm glad he retested it, because that would have been bad if he actually filled those jugs up, wasted all of that money. So the E85 ended up being E65, not 85. So, which we expected, because it's still not the season just yet. Like, it's still cold out. Gas stations haven't been updating their pumps and stuff like that. So whatever they got left is just bad E right now. So we're gonna go to one more gas station and check their E and see what that content level is. This motherfucker is a loud ass Hellcat. I wanna try the Michelin, yo. Let me know any Hellcat owners that got the Michelin Pilot Force Sports in the front. Let me know how y'all like those. All right, man. Third time's the charm, man. Fourth time. Actually, it's the fourth time testing it. So. Oh yeah, it's 285. Oh shit. It might be more. Yeah, it might be better. 235 at the other one. All right, man. Fourth goddamn time. Hopefully this is good stuff though. They got they got diesel too, which is 40. Okay, I was wondering what the other red yellow pump was. We need me to hold something, brother. I got you. Are you good now? All right. God damn. Yeah, everybody got goddamn big ass trucks out here.
This one smells better too.
They do smell. I was gonna say it do smell better too.
Do this shit right every time.
I know. Ain't trying to do this shit 3-4 times. Oh, you almost there, look like. Almost. Oh shit. Ooh, look at that boy right on the 90. One and done. One and done. You saying 70 on this one? 70, 75? I think 75. Yeah, it's definitely more expensive too. Yo, every gas station out here is more expensive though. Oh, yeah. I noticed that. Even the BJ's out here is like $310, and in Henrietta is like $255. Crazy. Yeah. All right, this should be good to go.
Even a little bit below, like E75.
Oh, yep. Oh, like literally right above 70, like 72. Yeah, somewhere around there. That's crazy.
Yeah, so it's still low.
It's still low, yeah. I mean, that's better than the other one. The other one was E65. Yeah, that's 10. That's crazy.
That's how you do it.
That's crazy. Let me see that bottle.
That buffer.
That's so crazy. So right above that 70-ish % is right where it starts at. Wow, that's crazy.
I'll wait, bro.
Never would have knew. Never would have knew, bro. All right, man, so that is it for this video. I appreciate y'all for watching, man. Appreciate y'all for taking a quick little ride to us to these gas stations. So we not ready just yet, man. We had E65 at the first gas station. We had E75 at the second one. So not there just yet. I know the minimum we'll take is E80, so not just yet. We're gonna wait till probably mid-May, and then we're gonna double check them again before we pump up, because that's not enough for these cars where we want to be at just yet. So E80 is our minimum. So we're done for the day. Stay tuned for the next video, because I think the parts should be here by Tuesday or Wednesday. My car is going to get Ceramic Pro PPF full paint correction on Monday. Today is Saturday, so I won't have my car for 4 days, but I got a bunch of videos I gotta post. So that's pretty much it, man. Y'all know the vibes though, man. Stay safe, stay positive, stay motivated, baby. I'm out. I'm gonna see you on the next video, man. Peace.